Good morning everyone, and I am Nibha, and sorry for not making video every day consistently, but from now I'm going to make video every day consistently. And I am welcome to my channel Indiscipline Girl, and today is this 8 of my journey of English learning, and welcome to my journey of learning English. And if you want to improve your English and build your English and make confidence for in front of anyone, please connect with me and let's learn it together. And let's start. My topic is cycling. I'm going to talk about beneficial and advantages and disadvantages of cycling. Let's start. Cycling is for transportation, and it is not only for transportation, but it is very important, crucial role of our fitness and mental problem. Cycling is very important for our exercise, for making our mental and physical fitness. If we use at least for 10 minutes cycling every day, morning or evening routine, our mental problem or physical fitness improving every day. If you want to improve, and if you want to make your mind sharp and focused, you have to use you have to cycling every day, because doctors also recommend that we have to cycle every day. In today's generation, we are spending hours of times by using phones, television and laptops, and we are doing unactive activities. Due to this, our mental and physical problem increases, such as stress, obesity, mental problem and health, and heart problem disease. When we use cycling, when we cycle every day for at least 30 minutes and or 10 minutes, then our mental problem and our mind and physical problem going to solve. Doctors also recommend that we have to when we have to improve our physical problem or mental problem, then we have to add cycling in our everyday routine. And said that in morning and afternoon, cycling is very good and very beneficial for our health and mental health and physical health also. This cycling improve our improve our mind improve our mind and fresh our mind and make us happier. When we when we use when we every day use cycling, then then our mind feel freshness and we feel happy. And this is not only for our mental problem, but also for physical fitness. When we use cycling, our muscles make strong, our stamina increase, our uh, uh, our our heart problem decreases. And if we have to add cycling in our routine for to make our mind and our body fit. If we use this, we we improve our mindset and improve our focus and make our concentration good. And tell me in the comment section, you are using cycling for your college or a school, and for any traveling for short distance. When we use for short distance, this is also good, and this cycling is eco-friendly and reduce our problem, reduce our pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, and this is very good. And government also promoting cycling because this is environmental friendly, and this make us fit, and physical fit and mental fit, and not making pollutions, and this is very good for our environment and for our health too. Government is telling that we have to use cycling for short distance, because we know that in many cities our air pollution is very critical situation, and when we want to make our environment good, we have to use cycling for short distance, and this thing make us fit and make us focus also, and make our environment good too. Please tell me in the comment section, you are using cycle or bikes, anything.